Yes, madam.
Yes, yes. So encapsulation is what? Encapsulation is nothing but a process of creating different classes. You already know Java is pure object oriented language, means everything is object here, and object are going to communicate with each other to perform a particular task. So encapsulation is one of the pillar of Java programming. First pillar is encapsulation, if you remember. Second one is what is second pillar? If anybody remember, second one is inheritance. Third one is information hiding, and fourth one is polymorphism. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to discuss about first pillar, that is encapsulation. Right, so what is encapsulation? I already told you. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. So you can assume what encapsulation is nothing but a capsule consists of data and method. Okay, and we create a class to do encapsulation. So class is a template of creating object. So this is the example of encapsulation. Okay, student, I create one class for the book. What is there in the book class? I define some data related to the book and some methods related to the books. Okay, and here I create one more class, that is a borrower class. So two classes are there. Book is one class, borrower is one class, and both class can communicate with each other using object. Means you need to create object of book class, you need to create object of borrower class, and both objects are going to communicate. Okay, so this is encapsulation. So Java provide the concept of class to build object. So class defines the shape and working of an object. So what is class? Class concept is a logical construct upon which the entire Java language is built. So heart of Java language is building of class, right? If you write a simple program, then only you need to create a class. So class is a heart of Java programming. So again, I repeat here, this is one example of class here, right? So what is there inside the class? Inside the class, you need to write first fields. This capsule is visible to all of you. Okay. So in future, if you create a class, then what you need to write inside the class, you need to write some fields. Fields are nothing but data. You need to write. After that, you need to write the methods which work on the data which you define, and then constructor. We'll discuss soon. What do you mean by constructor? Then you need to write some blocks of code. Then you need to write some nested class and then interface. All this thing you can write inside one class. One by one, we are going to discuss each and everything. Okay, student. Fields is nothing but data. Then you can write methods, then constructors. Then you need to write block. Then you need to write nested class within the class, and then interface. Interfaces is very important concept in Java. Java is unique. Java is different from C++ due to this feature, interface. Okay, we'll discuss it. So this is a general structure of creating class in Java. This slide is visible, Divya?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So how to write class in Java? You need to write, this is the general syntax for writing class. You need to write class, and then you need to write name of the class. So hope you understand name of the class. Anything you can write over here. For example, in Hello World program, we are writing capital H and ELLO. So always remember, this is the convention that you must start your name of the class with the capital letter. Okay. This is the best practice. You can write with a small letter as well, but in practice, you need to write name of the class with the capital letter only. Okay. And in the curly braces, you need to write various blocks of code inside the class. This curly braces start and end. So inside this, you need to write some data. I write type variable 1, type variable 2, type variable 3, and dot dot dot. Means what? Here you need to write data, definition of variables. So in C program, you already know how to define variable int a, int b, then you write char a, string a. Data type you need to define over here, student, and after that, after definition of data, you need to write some methods which work on the data. So again, you need to write the type, name of the method, and parameter list, right? So if you remember how to write function in C, so general format of function, you need to write type of that function, whether it is integer, float, or char or a string, right? And after that, you need to write the name of the function or name of the method, right? And in the bracket, you need to write the parameter list. Is optional. Parameter list is option. If you want to give some parameter, then you can give. Otherwise, the empty parenthesis is fine. Okay, and in the curly braces you need to define that method. Likewise, n number of methods you need to define. So this is just a general definition of your class. Okay, and this is the example of how to write circle class. Okay, so circle class, so class is a keyword जो blue में लिखा है, this is keyword class, and this is circle. Either C is a capital letter. Okay, C is a capital letter, the typing mistake. Class circle, and in the bracket you need to define that class. Okay, first you write double xy, these are the coordinators of the center, and double r, this is the radius. Okay, while creating this class, I need to calculate area and circumference of the circle. Understand, students? समझ में आ रहा है? Your job is, the problem statement is, you need to calculate area of circle and circumference of the circle. So you must know what is the formula to calculate circumference of the circle. That is 2 pi r, 2 pi and r. What is r here? Radius. And to find out the area of circle, you need to write pi r square, right? Again, r is nothing but the radius of the circle. So here I define data first. So x and y are the coordinator and r is a radius. Okay, so for this purpose, to find out area and circumference, you require r only, right? So you can skip this double xy here. Fine. For this purpose, I require only one variable, that is r. Okay, and what is double circumference? Is a method, and inside the bracket I write return 2 and 3.14159. This is a value of the pi, and multiply by radius. So this function will return, what it will return is a double value, right? And again, the second function, area function, will return something. Okay, so this is just example of how to create class in Java. Okay, now I'm going to show you one program in which I'm using this class. So name of the program is demo1.java. Okay, I create this class to use a circle class and create a single object for this class. Okay, so let me go to the demonstration part. So this is my program. You need to type your program on Notepad++. So this screen is visible, Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this program is to calculate area and circumference of the circle, right? So in this program, I create two class. First class, I write class, and see this one is a comment. Okay, double slash indicates single line comment in Java. All of you please note. जो green में लिखा है वो comment है. I write a program for encapsulation, right? A program that uses the circle class and call this file as a demo1.java. The name of the program will be the demo1.java. Okay, and then I write one class here, class circle, curly braces start, and here I define three variable, that is double xy and double r. And after that I define one method, double circumference, and in the bracket nothing is written, means without any argument, and in the curly braces what I'm writing, return 2 pi r. Okay, and I write another method, area method, which return pi r square. So till now you create one circle class with three data members, that is x, y, r, and the type of three data member is double. Okay, and two methods. Name of first method is circumference and name of second method is area. And you define that function over here. Okay, student, understand the definition of circle class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now I write another class in the same program. See, here you please note one point. In single Java program, you can write multiple class definition. In single Java program, you can write multiple class definition. For example, in this program, I am writing two class. First class is my circle class and second class is demo one. As you can see, name of the program is class demo one. And in the bracket, I need to define this class. So first statement is I define public void main function here. Void main function is there, right? And within void main function, I am writing some code over here. So one more thing you need to note over here, in any Java program, you must write one class with void main function. Okay, so void main function is compulsory in one of your Java class. And if you are writing Java class with single class only, then in that single class, you need to define void main function. So here I write two class. First is circle class. Second one is void main. Second one is demo one class. So in demo one class, I'm writing one public void main function. Main function execution of the program will start with which class, student, in which the main function is defined. Means the execution of Java program begin with a demo one class. This point is clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So now concentrate how what is the code inside the void main function. So in void main function, this curly braces start, and here I am creating object of circle class because I need to use the circle class to calculate area of circle and circumference of the circle. So I write circle C is equals to new circle, and in the bracket nothing is written, and then semicolon. So using this statement is highlighted over here. I am going to create object of circle class. This is the syntax of creating object of any class. Okay, so capital C is a name of the object of class circle. And new, what is a new? New is an operator for creating object of circle class. So this is the syntax of creating object of circle class. You must remember this. Okay. And after creating object, you need to initialize the value of x, y, and r. So I'm writing c dot x is equals to 0, c dot y is equals to 0, means x and y coordinator is 0, 0, and the value of radius, that is c dot r, is equals to 5. So hope you remember what is x, y, and r. X, y, and r are defined in your circle class, right? So using the circle object, I am going to initialize these three value in the void main function. So what is the value of radius now? The value of radius is 5. Okay, student. Now I am using one print statement, that is system.out.println, and circumference and then plus, and I write C dot. C is the object of circle class. C dot circumference. So C dot circumference will call the method defined in your circle class. So what is the job of circumference? To calculate 2 into pi into r. And what is the value of r? R will be 5. Okay, student. So this statement, this system.out.println statement will calculate the circumference of the circle. And second statement will display the area of circle. So you understand, all of you, Java is object-oriented programming. Here we create two classes. First class is circle class. Second one is your demo1 class, in which you are writing your void main function. And in the demo class, you are creating object of circle class and calling the function defined in circle class. Okay, student? So this is the line of code of this program. Now we need to run this program. कैसे run करेंगे? Command prompt and write name of the program. So what is the name of the program? See, to compile, you need to compile first, write Java C and then circle.java. Okay. List of possible option. Demo1. Name of the program is Demo1. See, you need to save this program first, student. How to save, you know? Save as, and name of the program is same as name of the class in which your void main function is there, right? So my void main function is there in Demo1 class. Okay. So how to compile this? Anybody can tell me? What is the name of your program? Am I audible? Demo1.java, not circle.java. Previously I write wrong, right, student? The name of my program is demo1.java. So I need to run this program. I need to compile it first. Compilation is successful. There is no error. Then you need to run it. How to run the program? You write Java and simply write name of the program. So it will calculate the circumference, right? 2 into pi into 5. So this is the value of the circumference and this is the value of area. It is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can change the value here. You can change the value of r radius का value change करेंगे हम लोग. Save your program. Move to the compile. You need to again compile your program. Okay, and then run it. The value will be changed accordingly. Okay, understand all of you?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
don't worry, I will give you line of code as well. You just copy your program on your system and you need to run. Okay. So this program is for demo1 program is for just how to create single object. Okay. Now my second program demo2.java, demo2.java, same program is there. I create circle class first. Okay. The aim of the program is same. Aim of the program is same, to calculate area and circumference of the circle. But the difference is here I need to create area and circumference of two different circle. Okay, means I need to create two different object. So here all of you please note, definition of circle class remains same. Definition of circle class remains same because circle class is a template for circle. Okay, now I create one more class, that is demo2, and in demo2 I write void main function, and in void main function here I declare two different object. It is visible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
First one is C1 object for one circle and C2 object is for another circle. Means I need to create area and circle of two area and circumference of two different circles. C1 indicate one circle, C2 indicate another circle. So hope you understand the definition here, how to create object of the class. So C1 and C2 I create. Okay. Now it is time to initialize my circle. So C1 dot X, C1 dot Y, C1 dot R is nothing but the initialize of first circle object. Initialization of first circle object. And here the radius is 5. Now second one is nothing but initialization of second circle object. Okay, so here I am changing x and y coordinator, means I am changing the position of my circle object. Okay, and C2 dot R is nothing but 10. So 10 is a radius, means first circle is smaller than the second. Hope you understand, all of you. This is just initialization of two different circle, and using this println statement. First println statement is for calculation of first circle, circumference and area. बेटा खुद पी ले. Okay, I am back. So, any doubt till now, student? So, using this program, we are going to calculate area of two different area and circumference of two different circles. Okay. So again, we'll compile this program and run. Name of the program is demo2.java. First, we need to compile. Am I audible?
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Demo2 is the name of your program. First, I compile and then run it. So system will display the circumference area of two different circles. Understand, student? So your demo1 program is for creating single object, and demo2 program is to how to create two different objects, student. And one more program I want to show, that is demo3.java. Demo3.java, in which I create total 3 classes. Okay, total 3 classes are there. Circle class definition remains same as the previous 2 classes. I create one more class. The name of the class is box class, and box class will create area and volume of one box. So hope you understand how to create the area of box, right? You need to multiply height with depth with width, right? You know the formula. Formula is written here. So here I create a two different class. One class is for circle, another class is with for box, right? So in box class, I define 3 data member, width, height, and depth, and 2 method. One is area method. Area method will calculate the area of box, and volume method will calculate the volume of the box. Okay. And one more class I create, that is demo3 class. In demo3 class, you need to define void main function. Okay. In void main function, first this highlighted circle C means I am creating object of circle class, and using this statement, box B is equals to new box. Here I am creating the object of second class, box class. So hope you understand this thing, student. In this in this program, I am creating three classes. First class is for circle, second class is for box, and in the demo class, I am creating object of circle class and box class. Okay, and then I initialize the value of circle object first and then box object, and using print statement we are going to calculate circumference and area of circle and area and volume of the box. Okay, so we need to compile this program. Hope you understand, all of you. First you need to compile this program and then you need to run this program. So this is the output. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So don't worry, I will post all these three program on Classroom. Okay, you need to copy paste this program on your system and try to run it. And I will try to solve your problem as well. Okay. So hope you understand something in today's lecture. Any doubt, then you can unmute yourself and ask. Just any one of you. Otherwise, I need to stop my lecture here only.